So our topic about MAT263 is the applications of linear algebra in economic. Now I would like to introduce our group name, Silly Sisters, group code JCDCS1434D, and program code is MAT263. Now I would like to introduce my group member. First, my name, FAIZA IRDINA BINTI MAT FAUZI 2022699196. Next, HERIKA ZUREEN BINTI RUZAIDI 2022834136. Moreover, ALEEYA RASZQUIN BINTI MAT RASBE 2022699054. Furthermore, ALIA SYAFIQAH binti MANAN 2022814766.
Hi everyone, today me and my teammates would like to present to you guys about application of system of linear equation. A system of linear equation is a set of equations that represent variables in problem that has been solved using a method of linear algebra. So, there are two ways to determine which of the equations are linear equations. Firstly, the equation cannot involve product of two variables. Secondly, the equation cannot involve trigonometric function. Other than that, a set of a linear equation can be utilized to find the value of unknown, solve practical issues, and other issues that arise in everyday life.
Our case study is an economist did an observation in 3 months, April, May, June, about company S, where they experienced loss because of some products, product A, B, and product C, had damaged. Each month, the company had lost 400 ringgit on product A, 600 ringgit on product B, and 600 ringgit on product C because of crash system. The data on how many times the system had been crashed are as shown in the table given below. The economist wants to know how many exact amount of each product had been damaged.
Next, purpose of study. First, to help an economist find how many exact amount of each product had been damaged. Second, to find the matrix from the linear equation in form of augmented matrix. Third, to find answer for problem statement by using Gaussian elimination method.
Next, I'll be explaining the methodology, which is how to solve the case study. With this question, we'll be using Gaussian elimination method. With this method, we need the linear equations as an augmented matrix, which means we can start with letting x be a variable for April, y for May, and z for June. The second step is we need to compile the data and turn that into linear equation forms. So there will be 3 of them. The first one is x plus 2y is equal to 400, and the next one is 2x plus y plus z is equal to 600, and the third one is x plus y plus 2z is equal to 600. So for the third step, we need to change those linear equations form into metric representative form. So there will be 3 by 3 matrix, which is 1 to 0 in the first row, second will be 2 1 1, and the third will be 1 1 3, followed by x y z, and equals to 400, 600, and 600 by column. With the matrix form, we can easily change it to augmented matrix forms. Then, we can proceed by using the Gaussian elimination method, which is a procedure for reducing a matrix to row equivalent matrix REM by using the elementary row operation ERO. So with REM, we needed the numbers under the leading 1 to be zeros. So 2 and 1 here needs to be zeros. Therefore, we'll be using negative 2R1 plus R2 to R2 and negative R1 plus R3 to R3. after we have gotten the underleading 1 to be zeros, we need to change the negative 3 into 1. So the ERO is negative 1 over 3 R2 to R2. After that, like the first step, we needed the numbers below the leading 1 to be zeros. Therefore, we'll be using R3 plus R2 to R2. And last but not least, we needed the 5 over 3 to be 1. So, we will use 3 over 5 R3 to R3. That's not all. The last step is to convert the matrix back into a system of linear equations and use the substitution method to obtain all of the solution. So from the last augmented matrix, we will get 3 linear equations and we will limit 1, 2, and 3. So the first one is x plus 2y is equal to 400. The second one is y minus 1 over 3z equals to 200 over 3. And the third one is z equals to 160. Next, to find the value of y, we need to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So equation 2 is y minus 1 over 3 z equals to 200 over 3, right? So we need to substitute z into 160 by using the third equation. Therefore, we will get y minus 1 over 3 times 160 equals to 200 over 3. And we will get y equals to 120, and we will name that equation 4. And to find the value of x, we need to substitute equation 4 into 1. So like before, x plus 2 times 120 equals to 400, and x we will get 160. Since we have gotten all of the values for x, y, and z, we can conclude that x, y, z is equal to 160, 120, and 160 by column.
Result and discussion. How many exact amount of each product had been damaged? As you can see, based on methodology, we get 116 for April month, May equals to 120, and June equal to 116, same as April. Therefore, the economists found that 116 products were damaged in April, 120 in May, and 116 in June.
From all above, we can conclude that the application of linear algebra using Gaussian elimination method has helped the economists to find out how many exact amount of each product had been damaged. This demonstrates that understanding linear algebra also inspires us to seek our simpler ways to make our life more efficient. Therefore, we have learned how to use linear algebra to help us solve the daily life problems. Despite this, the application of linear algebra is extremely useful in our daily life.